Here's a wake-up call. Relying solely on gut feelings for decision-making can cost you more than you might think. Welcome, strategic thinkers. Today we're diving into a tool that promises clarity in complexity, network analysis enhanced by ChatGPT. Imagine navigating through a labyrinth of opportunities and challenges with a clear roadmap in hand. Network analysis, along with the dynamic insights generated by ChatGPT, provides just that. In a world brimming with data and interconnected pathways, the challenge lies in deciphering which routes lead to success and which to dead ends. Overlooking critical information or choosing paths based on untested assumptions can lead straight to costly mistakes. To avoid the pitfalls of rushed decisions, we need a systematic approach to see the relationships and interactions within our networks clearly and objectively. Enter network analysis, our strategic tool of choice. It's like zooming out to view the entire map of connecting roads within a complex system. As we guide you through using this tool, ChatGPT is our live navigator, offering actionable insights at every step of the process to enhance our journey. This dynamic duo helps us break down the complexity into manageable insights and tailor solutions to meet our unique challenges. Let's walk through how this tool is applied. First, we clearly define the problem we're tackling and set clear objectives for the analysis, paving the path for focused and actionable insights. Next, using our network analysis, we identify all relevant entities in our network, whether they be people, information hubs, or entire organizations, and understand how they interact. ChatGPT is prompted live, giving us a detailed snapshot of the structures and patterns, and uncovering key influencers who drive our network's growth. In the implementation phase, we proceed thoughtfully through structured stages, understanding the mission, conducting a thorough analysis, generating multiple courses of action, assessing risks, and finally selecting the optimal path forward. At each step, ChatGPT aids us in customizing the insights to our specific needs, ensuring that our strategy is not just coherent, but also robust against the ever-changing variables we face. In conclusion, harnessing the power of network analysis paired with the intelligence of ChatGPT equips us with dynamic and customizable insights. This combination not only unravels complex relationships, but also empowers us to act with confidence and foresight. So here's the call to action. Like this video, subscribe for more engaging content, join our newsletter, and visit my Linktree for deeper dives into more strategic tools. And for those hungry for even more knowledge, check out the book AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3. Keep pushing boundaries, strategic thinkers, and adapt these powerful strategies to tackle your challenges head-on.